Hi there. Today I will show you how to install Firebase SDK on your Xcode iOS project. First, I'm going to add CocoaPods on my Mac. To do this, please open a terminal and you have to type sudo. I'm going to zoom this case, right? Okay, sudo gem install CocoaPods. And you have to enter your Mac password here. It will take a while, friends. Okay, I have already installed CocoaPods, so that's why it get a few seconds. Okay, now you have to create a Xcode project, create a new project, and single view app, iOS, and application name. My application name is my awesome app. Okay, next. Project location is desktop. Create. Alright, now I am going to copy this bundle identifier. Now you have to create a project file on firebase.google.com or firebase.com and click add project, and you have to give your project name here. My project name is iOS. Okay, sorry. Okay, create a project. Click continue and click add Firebase to your iOS app button, and you have to give the bundle identifier here, and you have to give application name. Okay, click register app. You have to download this Google services Google info.playlist file. Okay, file name should be same as this Google services dash info.playlist. Okay, replaced. I have already file, and we have to put the file in this our Xcode project root directory. Okay, click finish. Okay, now go back to terminal. I'm going to visit my desktop folder. Now I'm going to search for my project. This is my project, my awesome map. Sorry. Now I'm going to visit on that. CD. Oh, I forget that. My awesome map. CD. My space awesome space app. Okay. Now we can see the project here. Now I'm going to make a pod file in my project location. To do this, I'm going to type pod init. Okay, now we can see our pod file here. I'm going to remove all pods here. Alright, now I'm going to open a pod file. To open a pod file, open a and Xcode pod file. Okay, now this is my pod file. We have to do what is add the Firebase dependency here, hot Firebase core. Okay, close this, and you have to type install pod. Oh, oh, sorry, you have to type pod install. I actually forgot that. Now the Firebase is successfully added on my Xcode project. Now we have closed the Xcode and open up folder location, project location, open dot. Okay, you have to work with this XC workspace file now, not Xcode project. Okay, now in app delegate, please import the Firebase core. In this did finish launching with options method, you have to type firebase app.config. Okay, now let's run this app. It will be works. If not, it will be crashed. Okay, it's working. No more components here, so I'm going to end this video because this is our new year. Okay, bye bye.